Rescue 50, okay.
What do you want to do with the bridge? On the southbound
Let me
side?
think about going in.
Okay.
County 67 LGH. County 67 FM.
County Road Medic 61.
Medic 61.
Rapid RGH.
Medic 61, okay.
So I can hear.
Rescue 50, you're good at Fairview into Woolwich. They want you to enter Fairview or Woolwich.
Fairview to Roll Ridge. 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 Fairview to Roll Ridge.
County Medic 69 is available.
Medic 69, okay.
Fairview to Roll Ridge. Fairview to Roll Ridge. Seymour Street to Wallbank.
Want to go Seymour?
Now, cross angle side, go up Fairview.
Okay.
Channel 10.
You're taking the utilities off control? County truck 204 is on scene. Truck 204, okay.
Southbound side?
Southbound side.
Copy. All units on the ground. Chief 1 will have operations.
Make sure the car's clear.
Man. Medic 63, okay, Battalion 64-2.
County 64-2 has the same now.
Copy, negative 7-4. Heavy face truck 64 on in service at Battalion 7.
Copy that, County.
Left there, right?
This is Fairview, straight up through.
Just run into the firewall?
Yeah, it's gonna be Fairview to Roll Ridge, which I think it's up here at Wallbank.
Medic 67, okay.
said Fairview to Roll Ridge. In behind, pull up, keep going.
Yeah, come on, Alicia. Command.
Right here.
Yeah, sorry, yeah, 7 to the speed. Copy.
50 drive.
Rescue 50, okay. Unit calling operation.
Yeah, you put that down.
Operation, come to portable. FM2, okay.